Hello. If you have an empty food container lid, I have a fun trick for you. Prepare 500 grams of fresh chestnuts. First, put the fresh chestnuts into a basin. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add enough water to cover the chestnuts. Let it sit for 10 minutes to remove all impurities. Rinse thoroughly. Discard the water. Finally, rinse the chestnuts thoroughly with clean water to ensure there is no remaining dirt or fine hairs. Clean chestnuts look shiny. Now I'm using an empty food container lid. You can easily find one. This trick prevents the chestnuts from sinking, making it simple and easy. Then, place a chestnut into the groove in the center of the lid. Now gently use a knife to cut the chestnut shell. This method is especially suitable for those who enjoy soft and chewy chestnuts. You can safely cut the chestnuts without hurting your hands. This groove holds the chestnut firmly, preventing it from slipping while cutting. This groove holds the chestnut firmly, preventing it from slipping while cutting. You don't need to hold the chestnut directly with your fingers, completely avoiding the knife blade and keeping your fingers safe. You will feel more confident when holding it. It's very convenient and saves time. Give the video a thumbs up. It would make me very happy and help the channel grow. I'm curious, which country are you watching my recipes from? Please leave a comment and let me know. Then, put the chestnuts into the pot. 1 large cup of water equals 350 ml. 3 tablespoons of sugar equals 50 g. 2 tablespoons of oil equals 20 ml. Stir well. Cook until the water has completely evaporated, around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid. Use a spatula to stir well until the water has evaporated and the sugar becomes syrupy. Take the chestnuts out and place them on a plate. When the chestnuts have cooled enough to handle, you can start peeling them. The hard outer shell easily cracks along the cut line, and the inner layer, which usually clings tightly to the meat, will become tender. The meat grains remain intact, and their natural sweetness is even more pronounced. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy your meal. The video ends here. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment below. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you all for your support. Goodbye.